Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am iteshamarie. Today I'm gonna be doing a hair tutorial. I'm gonna show y'all how I got these really pretty bouncy curls in my hair. I'm gonna go through all of the products that I use, and I'm gonna show y'all step by step what I did to get my hair like this. So if y'all are interested in this hair tutorial, then let's go ahead and get into it. Yeah, I washed and flat ironed my hair about 3 days ago. The things that you're gonna need to curl your hair and get this look that I'm about to do is a heat protectant. And for my heat protectant, I'm gonna use my Olaplex No. 7 bonding oil that I tell you guys I always use. You're gonna need some hair clips to kind of like clip your hair out of the way so that you can curl it in sections. And then I'm gonna use my flat iron simply because I don't have a curling iron, which I need to get one, but for now I'm using my flat iron, which is this FHI heat. Also gonna be using these rollers for the first time that I picked up on Amazon, and then a hairspray, which is this little mini that I got from Target. This is the Kenra volume spray, and it's the super hold finishing spray. All right, so first we wanna make sure that our hair is protected since we are using heat. And like I told you guys, I'm using the Olaplex bonding oil No. 7. That's actually more than enough. I used 3 drops this time. Usually I only use like 2. And then distribute it from like mid-length down to my ends. Make sure that I'm getting my ends. All right, now I'm just gonna section my hair off. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my first section. I'm gonna take my flat iron and I'm gonna curl it. And I'm just gonna bring my flat iron down. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna like kind of catch the curl at the end and hold it. And I'm gonna hold it for about like 5 to 10 seconds, and then I'm gonna let it fall. The reason why I'm holding my curl at the end is just to kind of trap the heat, and that's gonna help with making the curl last a little bit longer. I'm just going to continue to curl my hair all throughout my head. And like I said, y'all, I am working in sections, and this doesn't take me that long just because I'm not, like I said, it doesn't have to be like super neat. And I'm gonna take this back section. It is important that you make sure that you're paying attention to which way you're curling your hair. Personally, I like to curl mine away from my face. Basically, you want to do that because you want your curls to all be uniform and going in the same direction. And as y'all can see, I'm not even taking like small sections. I'm taking pretty big chunks. And the only exception to that is once I start getting to the front, because that's where I have like a couple of layers. So those I do want to do a little bit smaller because like I have a layer here, I have a bit of a longer layer here, and then I have my bangs that have grown out here. So I do all of those separately. And the reason why I do all of those separately is because like I want those pieces to be really perfect since they're right in the front. So this side of my hair is done for now. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do this other side. Yeah, your hair should be looking a little something like this. Pretty loose curls. Now what we want to do is grab our rollers. I'm using the rollers that come with the little clip-on piece. I tried those Velcro rollers, y'all, and I just can't get with them. I've tried them like 2 or 3 times. Every time I feel like they're like snatching my hair out, so they're just not for me. So we're gonna try these this time. These are like the grandma rollers, but I think they'll work. All right, so I'm just gonna start grabbing some sections here. I'm gonna take all of this. So I'm just gonna start wrapping it around my roller. And this roller has teeth on it, so I feel like that's gonna make it a little bit easier for it to hold my curl. And it doesn't have to be, it's fine. Yeah, see, I like the way the little clip-on rollers work better. Now once you're done, your hair should be looking a little something like this. Mine don't ever look cute. You know how when you see the girls with the rollers in their hair, it just looks so cute and retro? Mine don't ever be looking like that. Mine just be looking like raggedy. As my last step, what I'm gonna do is take my Kenra spray again and just kind of spray it all over my head. So I'm gonna let my rollers stay in for about 15-20 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna take them out. All right, I'm back. So I'm just gonna start taking these out from the bottom. And as I take them out, I'm gonna kind of like curl them. Yes, these are so much better because they're not snatching at my hair as I'm removing them. Okay, that kind of looking cute. Okay, so it's looking like this after I've taken all of the rollers out. I do want to do a middle part. Who am I kidding? So I'm just gonna flip this little part back over here, and all I'm gonna do is just run my fingers through it. I feel like I need some makeup on. Let me put some makeup on and then I'll be right back. But this is how my hair turned out looking. I think it's really pretty. It's really bouncy. It's got enough volume. My hair is not the thickest once I straighten it. You would think that it would be thicker, like when you see it, once it's in this like blow dried state, but yeah, it's not. This is what I'm working with. I think those rollers really help. You can kind of just play around with the curls a bit. They'll drop a little bit as the days go by, but I like the way they look now, and I know I'm gonna like the way they look as they drop too. So I'll list everything that I use down in the description box as always. If you have any questions for me about this style, then leave it down in the comments box. Thank y'all so much for watching. If you enjoy this type of content, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss it whenever I upload a new video. And I will see y'all next time. All right, bye.